What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I'm giving you very minimal makeup. This is kind of like a fun summer date day look. Does that make sense? Like day, right? Date day? Yeah, date day. So this is the look that I came up with. So if you guys want to see what I do to my hair and my makeup, then definitely stay tuned to this video. Alright, so I'm trying to lay this part down a little bit more, but you see I have some crust, so I'm going to take some of this alcohol and put it on a cotton swab and just run that along the hairline. But I'm okay. So I want to create some bangs, but I don't want the super thick bangs. I think they're like fringed bangs, so they're kind of thin. So I washed this hair, that's why it looks like this, but this is the same hair that I had on a couple of videos ago. I'll link it in the cards up above. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is just see how far I want my bangs to go over. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can. I'm gonna cut it right here first. Just straight across. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is just keep going up and up and up, and then I'm gonna kind of take my scissors and angle them this way and just cut down. I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this edge control, and you see how like it's apart right here? I don't want that, like that's weird. And that's because this unit was made in two apart. So I'm just gonna take that edge control and lay it down right here. Gotta fix this part right here. So I wanted it to look like this, where, not that part, but like this, where it's like longer on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna fix this portion right here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna run through my hair real quick so it can straighten it, because right now it's a little wavy because I washed it. So I'm just gonna run through it with my flat iron. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me. So I just finished flat ironing my hair. So now I'm just gonna brush my hair to the side, because I don't know if I want it to be like this. I think this is cute, you know, and then with my makeup done and stuff, like it'll just be real cute like this. But right now, since I have to still do my makeup, I'm also gonna lay down this bump too. But I'll do that after I do my makeup. So right now I'm just gonna pull it to the back into a ponytail. So then I was thinking maybe I can do it like this, where it's like in a ponytail, but then I've been like, that's too like childish a little bit, you know? And I'm not laying it down like super tight, so I think I'm gonna just do my makeup like this for real. Hey, it's a cute little style right here. I actually knew a girl who wore her bangs like this, and it was me. Oh my gosh, this is so scary because this is how I look. This is how I looked in middle school. Yikes. Except my bangs were puffy and yeah, I just look crazy. So I'm gonna take the Covergirl True Blend Base Business, and this is in Smooth, Skin Smoothing and Illuminating. And now I'm going to take the Illuminating and put this everywhere where I highlight. This stuff is really amazing. So if you want some summer dewy skin but not like oily skin, use this primer. It's really nice. It actually makes your foundation glow. So today I'm going to take the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in Tahoe, and I'm also going to mix it with the Covergirl True Blend because I want to see if these two together will give me like a nice matte but dewy look. The city and I broke down car and 4 years no go. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No. So I told you guys in my last video that I was going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and the color I'm using is C12 for my under eyes. Surprisingly, this is a great color for like my highlight under my eyes and stuff. It's better than that sharp, what is it called? Tarte Shape Tape. I said sharp. These bangs need to get out my way though. That's what I do know. But I am gonna put some on my eyes because I need to be bright, you know? Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my Mercier setting powder combined, and I want to try the Beauty Bakery I think it's like a light yellow setting powder that they have. If you guys have tried it, please let me know because I really want to try it since it's like a light yellow. So I was going to use a cream concealer to contour my face, but I just powdered my face. Oh, I can't do that. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow from, which palette is this? This is the Morphe 9A palette. And I'm going to take Splendid and Witness and contour my face. You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was in. Now I take my powder brush and I wipe away the setting powder. Played out Blink 182 song. Now we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. All my bangs are over here. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this brow. Get these joints together. My face is looking Gucci. That just might be my new like foundation for the summertime. Like it don't even look, it looks good on camera, but it looks better in person, sis. Wow. Wow. I haven't brought out this bad boy in a long time, and that is the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette, their little collab. And mine is really dirty, like super dirty, but let's see what colors I want to take today. So I'm gonna take this mustard shade and this yellow shade over here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color, and I'm also gonna put this all over my lid. I'm gonna take these two shades right here and a little bit of this like shimmery shade and put this all over my lid. Okay, so I had to switch my memory card and it stopped recording. And I didn't know it stopped recording because it doesn't like, this camera doesn't beep or anything to say that it stopped recording. So what I did, the only thing I did off camera that you guys didn't see was I took this color right here, this pink shimmery shade, and I put it in my inner corner. So that is the only thing you didn't see. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that shade that I used on my lid, and I'm gonna take the yellow shade and put this under my eye. So I'm not going to wing my eyes or anything, but I am going to add a black liner, a liquid liner on the top of my eyes, so that when I put my lashes on, it'll kind of blend in a little bit better. so I'm taking the Naturally Sunny Lash in Angel, and this is an invisible lash band. This is so cute. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to take Le Peach. I'm going to spray my brush with the MAC Fix Plus spray. See, that just intensifies everything. What I just did to make my lips look like a little red was I took Dominate. This is the Laura Mercier Extreme Velour Extreme Lipstick. And this is in the color Dominate. And I just put a little bit on the center of my lips. I'm gonna go in with Vibe just to calm it down a little bit. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this makeup and hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Also follow my social media accounts. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. It will all be in the description box below, as well as the products I used on my face today. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the gang, because I would love to have you a part of my family. You know what I'm saying? I would love to have you watching this video. I'm really pointing at somebody right now. That is so crazy. Okay, but anyways, I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I was a little let me try it one more time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. There we go. That was better.